Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform or turn this selfie photo to become this retro 80s boombox style like this. And how to create this photo transformation, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, you can also try this photo transformation into your another favorite AI, and also I will share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And after that, I will start to click this try Nano Banana, and after that I will upload the picture or the previous picture from my gallery or from my device. And after that, you can put the prompt into this section. And basically the prompt gonna be like this: transform this image into the vibrant retro 80s aesthetic. And also the subject should be a young man with a cool, slightly nonchalant expression, and also wearing the vintage reds and a yellow track jacket like this, and also the black pants and classic black and white sneakers. And also he is seated on a bright blue sofa in a room with the walls that is white, and also the room color should be include the vintage teal rotary phone, this one, and also the frame abstract or poster like this in the primary color, and also the yellow electric guitar hanging on the wall, and also on the black and white checkered floor in the foreground, this one. And also there's the silver boombox over here, and also the subject is holding the Rubik's cube, this one, and the lighting should be bright and even, emphasizing the bold color and also playful, nostalgic atmosphere of 1980s. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. And if you like the result, then you can start to download it, and it will officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.